experience when studied and having proper exposure leadership gone retired or superannuated. There is lack of senior leadership in union. The new generation activists are deprived of the experience and knowledge of senior leadership. We are aware of the fact that there was almost nil recruitment in clerical cadre for almost 20 years before 2010. During last decade, there has been some recruitment which added young blood in our bank. No doubt the young generation activists are smart, techno-savvy, enthusiastic but less experienced and have very little exposure to the management and membership. The gap in every sense is of high altitude, which is not very good for the future and health of union. It is need of the hour of mold, educated and shape the new generation activists as per the Sangh Vichar. As such, we feel it necessary that those senior leader activists who are retired but not tired put and dedicated their entire service to the union and can serve the union in the days to come must be added to the Central Committee of Mahasangh, as there are guidelines from BMS that retired leaders cannot hold the post of President and General Secretary. One post of chairman and one post of vice chairman should be created, and the senior leaders as stated above should be offered to them under request to serve the union for further. Constitutionally, the chairman of Mahasangh would be the topmost authority in Mahasangh above the vice chairman, president and general secretary. The chairman would be answerable to CEC of Mahasangh, general secretary NOVW and GS Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh. These posts will be given only to the retired senior leaders. It will not be mandatory to fill the post if fit, eligible and interested senior leaders are not available. Considering the necessity of guidance, knowledge and experience of senior leaders in the process of grooming the new generation activists as per requirement of BMS, NOW, ideology and practice approach, this general body of the Bank of Maharashtra Karmachari Mahasangh held at Panchkula, Haryana on 28